Oh, you thought we were done with water cooling, did you? No, dude, I got one more crappy product to test out. This is Heayzoki. I don't know, another Chinese knockoff kind of brand, whatever. But let's take a look at this guy and see what she's all about. This is less. It's another digital display. I guess windmill. So this thing is one of the fancy impeller paddle wheel design fellers. This one does feel like it is like a metal housing with whatever. So okay, we got in and out on this design as well. Whatever. You guys will see the pictures. But then we're gonna have to try this weird looking feller out. And maybe this one will end up living inside one of my other computers. But we're going to test it out first in this one to see what it does, or if it makes any sounds, if it's obnoxious or annoying. It's just got a 3-pin connector. Yeah, we're already drained in here, so we can take you in closer and get you to go ahead and install it then, eh? And then we'll fill it up with some more liquid again. Sorry guys, it's always a mess in my shop. How do you guys like the fact that I do this on my bar? Like, that's probably just... If this was a restaurant, if this was actually a real bar, you'd be so upset. You'd... God damn, this hose is stiff. Oh, you know why this hose is stiff? It's because this hose, I didn't drain the chocolate milk. That hose still has a lot of chocolate milk in it, so it still has all the fantastic protein that it's gotten over the build year, and yeah. All right, there's enough of my Type 5 at the Comedy Lab. All right, so we're removing the old one. Now we're gonna take this new one. Oh, so that's the output. Oh, so this one kind of sucks. So this one's going to be upside down, I guess? I don't know. I guess I have to install this upside down, because why is the in on this side? Well, I guess we'll test it and see if it works. So the in is on this side, the out's on the other side, which I feel like everyone kind of does it the opposite way of how this thing's set up. Well, let's just plug it in. Let's plug it in the wrong way first, see how it reacts, and then we'll go from there. So back to my motherboard rant. This damn motherboard has like, gosh dang, no freaking ins and outs on it. Or not outs on it, but it's got like no fan headers, and the fan header for the CPU is bent. I'm putting it upside down. Okay, we're plugged in. We're good to go there. Let's top it up with some liquid. Drain is closed. Haha, no bloopers for you. Oh, Christ. It's spilling all over the top. Okay, I guess you guys get a little bit of blooper action here. We didn't take a whole freaking thing last time either. So, okay. Now, come on. Get in here, you guys. Just get in here. It's okay. It's okay. Let's turn it on. Oh, hold on. Oh. Well, the good news is the temperature reading is showing correct. The other good news is it's not leaking. Bad news is the in and out is messed up. That needs to be fixed. All right, y'all. Sorry about that. I ran out of a battery pack. Had to change batteries. Gosh dang it. Stuff still stinks. So if you're watching this video and you didn't watch my last one, make sure you check out my channel. Check out the chocolate milk episode on my stupid channel. Oops. Never water cool your computer with chocolate milk. I don't even care what the temperature is outside. It's so disgusting. Ugh. Alright, you guys ready? Round 2, fight! Alright, the impeller is spinning. Alright, so what you can see here, or here, I don't know, is this GSKILL Heayzoki. This is a like $30, I guess you'd call this one a flow indicator and not a meter because it doesn't meter the flow. So, I guess, you know, shame on them for not actually labeling the product correctly, but whatever. Because all I can see on here for an output, and it has no instructions or anything, all it shows on here is just the temperature, and it's sitting at 18 degrees Celsius. This product, while it works, it kind of pisses me off that I have to have it upside down, or I would probably have to disassemble it, swap the impeller around perhaps, and that might work. But I don't know if it's really worth it for that, honestly. That kind of does drive me nuts because I think most people do their loops in this orientation, just the way PC cases and stuff are set up, is that, and I apologize for this noise, this pump is filled with chocolate milk, probably residue, and ugh. And so that, I guess that's kind of annoying to me, the fact that it is so, that the input is like that when most of the cases are designed this way, you know, to be sitting, you know, next to you instead of the other way. I don't know. I guess it could be a small gripe. It could be an actual issue. I'm not really sure. But anyway, at any rate, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. I think this one might be a pass for me. I guess it's kind of cool that it comes with a 3-pin, so you can kind of hook it up to that just to get power, whatever. I don't know if there's a pro or a con to that necessarily. But if you have like extra splitters or extra, you know, stuff on your motherboard, then whatever, who cares? It's pretty cool, I guess. But other than that, you guys, I guess that's going to wrap this one up. I'm not sure what I'll do with this one, if I'm going to keep it or not, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, leave a comment or whatever down below if you want me to do a long-term test with this thing. I don't think this one is going to have a whole lot of issues, since it's probably a pretty simple design with a really basic screen, and it doesn't measure the flow rate at all. It just measures, it just indicates the flow by having the thing spin. So I guess it really doesn't matter if you have it in upside down or not, because it's just an indicator. It doesn't measure it. Anyway, that's about it for this video, I guess, you guys. I think I'm going to take the other guy from the other video that you watched and put him in my server and just kind of see how that thing does in there over a course of time and stuff and things. Take it easy, be well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys, and I will see you on another time.